What's up, RCNUTS? We're here to do a video on the Slash that we busted up in one of those videos. I'm sure you guys saw that go right into the curb. So we're gonna switch all this stuff out and get all that stuff fixed up with some metal parts. We got these right off Amazon. It's a good price. It's the steering and the caster, and I got a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. If you're not running Z batteries, down in the description you'll see a double pack they have right now. It's a phenomenal deal, right? A phenomenal deal, dude. Check them out. You just cut the ends off, put on your little connector, and you're good to go. Don't spend $60 on one battery, guys. You can get two for like 30 bucks or something. And this oil, guys, has a really nice applicator on here, and you can put that pretty much anywhere. It's fully synthetic and it doesn't dry out very quickly, so it's a pretty good oil and it's a good price, and it says Liberty on it, so check it out. It's also in the description and it's a good price, so check it out. So we're gonna get going on this stuff, and don't forget, boys down at Viper, guys, don't forget the guys down at Viper. You guys remember when Cole smashed his truck onto the pavement? Oh, and it destroyed everything in the front end on this thing. Well, we're gonna fix that up right now with some metal parts. So let's get that going. For being one of the cheaper options, these things are made pretty well. We'll see if they last, and I'll let you know.
There it goes.
To some new guys out there, this might seem intimidating, but this stuff is very easy. It is, and it just fits. You can't really do anything wrong with these pieces. This design is actually better than the original one. It has a top and bottom with the steering rod that goes in between, which distributes the force more evenly to the part. Now we're just going to pull out the old ESC. We're going to pull out the factory motor and put in this one from Amazon. We got the motor and the ESC in and the pinion lined up, and just plug it all into the factory receiver so the regular remote will work. Look at this thing come together, man. This thing is awesome looking. And we also raised the rear body support just to give it a little more clearance. Alright guys, first run on this thing, we just got to switch over to 2S. Brushless.
Look at those tiles.
Woo, what do you think, dude? Dude, we fixed it up a little bit. Isn't that awesome?
No, the remote.
You're like, oh yeah, no.
No, let your dad do it first.
What do you think, dude? You like those tires?
Yeah.
Oh wait, keep doing that? Yeah, it's the front. Yeah, it's the front bumper. What you got? You got a mouthful of it? Fruit, what is that? Fruit by the foot or something?
Fruit by the foot.
Fruit by the foot.
Dad, I think that truck looks like my show.
Yep, you show everyone
Yeah,
here.
it does.
Yeah. It's too noisy.
It's too noisy? What? Yeah, I'm waiting for it, bro.
You gonna throw down with this thing?
I already looked at these new batteries.
Bam. Okay, Cole. First time with the 2S. Cole. They're playing ball right now. We gotta stay open. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy, okay?
Rumble, rumble. Just fine.
Oh, buddy. Oh, yeah. Almost. Woo. You did a backflip! Woo! Yeah! That was awesome!